morning, guys. 9:35. Came out of Blacksburg as a one-day zero, and am slacking between Newport Road and Virginia 621. We'll stay in Four Pines and then head back out tomorrow. And we'll hopefully, tomorrow's supposed to be bad weather again, but today's supposed to be beautiful. So just wanted to bring you up real quick, let you know what the plan is. It's just 15.5 miles. Hope to punch that out in about 6 hours and then be done for the day before the rain hits in this evening. Okay, so we'll catch up with you once I get up to the hill. Hey guys, look how I ran into. So as I was just doing my video, Arty 1 Mile said, "Hey, is that Scars?" And so we actually were able to got a chance to meet up. Yep. So we're both doing the slack pack SOBO today. Yep. Down to 621.
Ultralight.
Ultralight. That's right. Yeah, no slack packing for us.
No. Never.
Right. So anyway, just wanted to take the opportunity to introduce you. So Arty 1 Mile and G, check them out on the YouTube channel, yep. And we will see you up on the hill.
All right.
Once again, I get pretty lucky on the scenes and views. Yep, what you're looking down on right now is Four Pines Hostel. That's where I'm going to stay this evening. Yep, right there. Look at that beautiful scenery around them. And now I'll show you the backside, what it looks like from the trail side. So you just oops. Wait. See, sometimes you do goofy stuff like that. I wanted to go down. If that hill wasn't so steep, I'd have gone right down that because there's no mark, no blaze. So I sort of wanted to continue on along the backside of that ridge, but you see that it passed over. Really lucky today with the weather. I mean, partially lucky. I actually intentionally took yesterday off because it was a rainy mess. And they said Dragon's Tooth in this area is not great to do when it's rainy. So I planned for today. Now tomorrow, we're supposed to go right back into the rain. It is supposed to be warmer. So with that though, I'll be heading north from Newport Road towards Troutville and Daleville. And my understanding is, I tell you that when you take your eyes off the ground for a second, you're likely to trip, fall, hurt yourself. That's evidence thereof. So I understand that the trail north of here is better suited for the rain, so I will do that. And then, which I think I've mentioned, but if not, so my motivation for doing this SOBO slack pack today is again, it's so the shuttles get to be really expensive. So you can spend $30, $40 on a hostel room, or turn around and spend the same on just one way of a shuttle. So this way, Newport Road is right down the street from Four Pines. So I only have a one-way shuttle from Interstate 621 back. Now I need to get these miles in no matter what, because Elle is joining me over the weekend for some miles on trail. So I want to be up past Daleville in preparation for her joining me. So that is the motivation. Now, you can hear that this is an ascent and my one lung is screaming at me. So let me do that and I'll get back to you. Had to take a picture of this. Wow, beautiful. This is part of the quote-unquote gnarly ascent, as it was described to me, going up the Dragon's Tooth, SOBO. It has been pretty steep, but with my knees, frankly, this is a lot better than going down these. So I understand I have a long descent, of course, leaving this area, going back to 621, but it's more gradual. It's this sort of pounding on the rocks that's hard on my knees. So anyway, part of the calculus that went into doing this SOBO. See if I can't protect the knees so that they're there for me when I start to bump up the numbers again. You can see this is very narrow through here. I gotta let you go and I'll come back. Look at this, got Underdog and Colonel.
Hey guys, enjoying the AT with the cars. Man, having a great time.
Yep. Okay, we'll catch you later.
All right.
Four Pines Hostel. Look at that terrain. Yeah, that's a beauty out there. All right. I don't know if this is Deep Gap. If it isn't, that's always a good guess. What does it say? So Dragon's Tooth's only 4 miles. I haven't been going very fast or very far, I'll tell you that. 7, so I'm still not even halfway to where I'm going. And it's 3:30, I'm sorry, 1:30. I could do just that video for like half an hour and you could use it as a tape to help you fall asleep at night. What a beautiful sound. Nice little, this would be a great little campsite. I mean, I doubt there's too much traffic on the road. There is a house up that way, but it's like one house. I doubt it's a whole development. I'm getting the sense that I may have finally reached this never-ending ascent. I could be wrong. I knew it was going to be a long one, but wow. This ascent up to the Audie Murphy Monument, SOBO anyway, is a long, long run. What makes it worthwhile is the fact that this monument represents a true hero of uncommon valor, courage, and dedication. And it's in such stark contrast to the self-interested political activists who are so often referred to as heroes in our current life, that it makes this journey up here to pay tribute well worth the effort. It's too bad that this monument is actually off of the trail, because I am willing to bet that a lot of people do not come see it. I don't even know where it is. Wait, that's the AT. This must be it here. Well, I wondered why it was here. And so you can see it is because he died in a plane crash near this site. This shows an overlook. So let's just take a look. Well, okay. Okay, finally got down here on the ground, the flatland near State Road 621. Hold on a sec, I gotta take it easy on these knees. Now this, when we came down, I don't know if I took a picture of it or not, it was completely flooded. You can see how far up it was flooded. I'm about 8 minutes out from my pickup time. But I figured I'd share these last moments with you for today before the sun sets on this day. Look at these. Signs of spring. I just saw stickers and ladybug. Calves. And I can't remember the name of the gal who was hiking with calves, but I saw them. We're all in the same neighborhood, so it will probably be that I catch up with them the next 2 days, only to drop them off again as Al comes and we will probably hike a little lower miles, but you never know with that girl. I hear a road. So we may be doing miles, we don't know. I found out from RTK that Sleeves, RTK, his wife is coming to see him also this weekend. They're going to be there at the Super 8 in Daleville. And Daleville, oh yeah, truck is sitting there waiting for me. Yeah, in Daleville, so hopefully we'll get to see them before they move on. That would be awesome. And then the Super 8 is right there at the trailhead, so maybe the thing to do is we'll just jump into the Super 8. That sounds like the way to go. So that's the plan as we stand here today. No plan survives first contact, but hey, you never know. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up. We're going to go to the home place for dinner, I believe, after we go to the hostel, and then we will carry on from there, and I'll see you tomorrow morning early.